If you want to download Google Chrome on your laptop or PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest way to get Chrome installed on Windows using the official download page. This is the best method because it ensures you're downloading the real browser directly from Google, not a third-party site. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your current browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser that's already installed on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Google Chrome download page. You want to make sure you're on Google's real website, so always check the address carefully before downloading anything. When the Chrome download page loads, you'll see a big blue button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click that button. After you click it, the website will start downloading the Chrome installer file to your computer. This file is usually called ChromeSetup.exe on Windows. Now wait a moment for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. Once the file is downloaded, look for it in your Downloads folder, or click the downloaded file from the browser's download bar if it appears at the bottom or top of the window. Next, double-click the ChromeSetup.exe file to start the installation. If Windows shows a permission message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is completely normal during software installation, and it allows Chrome to finish setting itself up properly. After that, the installer will automatically continue downloading any remaining files, and then install Chrome on your laptop or PC. You don't usually need to do anything else here except wait for the process to complete. Make sure your internet connection stays active while Chrome is installing, so everything finishes smoothly. Once the installation is done, Chrome should open automatically. That means the setup was successful, and your browser is ready to use. From there, you can sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across your devices. If you prefer, you can also just start browsing right away without signing in. And that's it. You've now downloaded and installed Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. It's quick, simple, and safe when you use the official download page. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step computer tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.